Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice container assembly in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice container assembly. This ice container is located in the ice maker compartment in the upper left corner in the fresh food compartment. The ice container stores and dispenses crushed ice or ice cubes on demand. The main reason to replace the ice container assembly is if it's broken and won't function properly or is corroded. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. To remove the ice container assembly, we need to press this lock button and then pull it out. This is the old ice container assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new part in, we need to do a little adjustment here. I want you to pay attention to this coupling, the position of the coupling on the old one and the new one. See that in order to fit into the yoke inside the ice maker compartment, we need to make this coupling the same position as here. I'm going to turn it same way. Now we're going to install it. Okay, I'm going to install the ice container onto the rails. Lift it up, push it more, and then we're going to slide it completely. Remember, we need to lock it, so push it firmly. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.